Aloha, hello, and welcome.
Welcome.
It is holistic, somatic life coaching, utilizing our voice as a portal for transformation.
This is a portal for our inner world into the outer world, internal, external. If you cut yourself off of speaking your truth, then you're restraining, you're putting a block here, and that can create all kinds of imbalances.
Feeling blocked in the throat, which many of us can do, including ourselves. And no matter how many times we perform and sang and opened, we can still have this tendency, in some of us more than others, to want to close again and protect. And this area here is this in the heart, right, area can really quickly shut down and lock up and feel blocked. And so, through these exercises and modalities and practices that we offer, the ideal situation or outcome is that you have the experience of that block just dissipating completely. You learn to love yourself and accept yourself also with all of it. And in that process, it softens also and loosens the hold that it has on you. It doesn't mean it can, it'll be an overnight shift. It can be a journey for us, but it can be a beautiful journey where we learn so much about ourselves along the way, where we get to heal and forgive ourselves and those others, our parents or whoever it was that maybe planted those seeds. And in that process, it can just be so liberating and so empowering as we're getting in touch with that again, and with that and this beautiful instrument that we have to express. And it's literally, it's a megaphone. Our voice is a megaphone for our heart, for our soul, to communicate with the external world. And we're here to help you put new batteries into that megaphone or charge it up, dust it off, and just tune it up.
Explore together.
And let it blast out into the world.
We merged our two biggest passions.
Personal transformation and the human voice.
Our voice, our human voice.
Our voice. Our human voice. Our human voice. It doesn't just sing, it sings, it speaks, it expresses, it shares, it communicates and vibrates and reverberates out into the world the very things that we want to express, even the very things that we want to create, manifest. I mean, in a nutshell, that's what inspired us to step into this, create vocal life coaching.
The realization of the power that we actually have right here. It's so accessible all the time. And we've seen the power that the voice can have and the way it impacts life. And the fact that we are energy and that we vibrate and there's vibrations around us all the time. It's beautiful to know that we have the power over which vibration we wish to be in at any moment. When I feel sad or moody or just a little uncomfortable, it helps me to tune in and use my own voice as a tuning fork for my own vibration.
I love that tuning fork analogy, because it's so true. Generally speaking, we are vibration, and we are particles that are vibrating, right? At a cellular level, the experience that we can create within ourselves, for ourselves, and created by ourselves, with our thoughts, with our words, with our actions, coming back to what we do and what we're offering, and based on our personal experience. It's can be remarkable. You point it out to us all the time, but especially to me, if I forget or if I'm not noticing, if I'm having a down or a little period where I've been, feeling a little down for a while, down and out, we notice it very much. It's like extremely obvious when I'm going in I've been in a period like that, and then we perform again, we sing again. We can transform, like literally, like that fast sometimes.
We don't always see ourselves. I just feel myself after I've sung, and it's almost like I see the world differently. It's like there's more colors. I smell more. It's like an enhancement of my senses, and I see it in you, of course, because you're right there, and I'm just like, your eyes are just like shining. Glowing. It's like wow. I think you can see even the skin. It's like if it's shining
glowing,
more.
like glowing. I feel like I had like I just had like a week-long smoothie or juice fast or something.
Like you levitate. I feel that after. It's like you go into the session. It's like a session, but it's a concert or singing, and it's like. And at the first, you gotta get through it. We're like elevating, but it's like our cells, our vibration. We kind of. It's so powerful, and I don't think I've before in my life have thought,
like noticed
this, right? How transformational this is, and that's why we want to spread this and share this with the world, because this is so powerful, and we all have access to this, and we can do this.
We literally take you on. Into different exercises and different practices and different little, even mini journeys within our sessions, guided, where we're engaging the voice though, and including it as one of the core elements within the particular practice or exercise that we're doing. And it may not just be using the voice, because it's not necessarily always just using the voice. We're engaging the mind, we're engaging the body, in different aspects and different, and we're connecting it all.
So if you feel called and or inspired by any of what we talked about, don't hesitate to book your free discovery call with either one of us, and let's connect and talk about what you are needing right now.
Well, thanks for coming on this little exploratory mini journey with us, as we've shared a bit and hopefully giving you some insights deeper into our work and what we're offering. And we invite you to book a free discovery call with either Sidsel or myself or both of us, and to explore the possibilities of how we can support you in your journey. We look forward to connecting with you, and see you soon.
So shine, and as we shine, oh shine, as I shine, Sidsel, you shine, and as I shine, like Santa, you shine, as we shine, the world shines. Shine bright, 'cause should be happening. Cause as I heal, you heal. As you heal, I heal. As we heal, the world heals. As the world heals, I